Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to change your profile name in your Amazon Prime Video account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. It's quite easy. And right now, we're only gonna focus on how to change our profile name. At the top right on the navbar, you'll see a profile picture along with your name. Simply hover over it, and something like this will open up. Well guys, don't worry. Though there are lots of settings, what we need to do is simply manage profile. The button's right here, just below add new. Initially, what you guys need to do once you've been redirected to this page is simply go to edit profile. Once you click on it, select the profile whose name you want to change. Right now I want to change the name of this profile, so I'm just gonna click on it. Then this edit profile section will open up. Well, do note that you can change your profile image, add or remove profile locks, or simply delete your profile from right here. But right now, we're only gonna focus on how to change our profile name. I'm just gonna change it. And once everything's okay, simply hit on the Save Changes button right here. And guys, that's it. That's how you change your profile name in your Amazon Prime Video account. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.